Okay, here I'm going to just show you how to quickly join two roofs and have a really nice join on the corners. So here I've just got a little 3D view, 4 walls. I just wanted to have some nice sharp corners. This is a wall that goes from level 1 to level 2. So I'm going to go to level 2 to put the roof. And instead of using the roof by footprint or extrusion, I'm going to do model in place. And I'll tell it to be a roof from this point. So I'm going to click on roofs, click OK. It's going to name it. Now I'm ready to create it. I'm in sketch mode. So the first step is we're not doing a roof by extrusion here either. We're going to use a sweep, which is a shape that'll follow a path. So I'm going to sketch path first, and I'll just click there and start, and I'll go to the corner. I'll do 2 corners, something like that. 3 pink lines, green check mark to finish that. Now I need to tell it the profile of the roof. I don't have one, so I'll click on edit profile, and I'm going to look at my building over here. I'm going to look down, so that would be the north elevation. And there's my start point right there. So I am going to create a little curved roof, something like, I don't know, like that. I'll give it an offset because it needs a closed loop. So there's 200 millimeter offset. And I want the top to be flat, and I want the bottom of it to be vertical. And then I'm just going to trim these so that I have a closed profile. Like that. And let me see if I can give it a material while I'm in here. There's a standing seam metal roof. It's green when I'm in shaded, and it shows the lines when I'm in realistic. Sounds good. So a green check mark to finish. Did something. Now I'm going to just take a look. And there's my profile right at my pink dot. So I'm going to green check mark that. That's nice. And it followed the path, and it did beautiful corners. So I'm happy with that. The material's on it. Just finished the model. And there you are. Okay.